Hey fashion lovers, welcome to the Fashion Try-On. If you want to support our channel, please be sure to like and subscribe. Today we are trying on the FENDI Baguette Mini in white leather. Always fascinated by luxury brands calling what I think is a normal sized purse a mini, because this does not seem like a mini to me whatsoever. It felt like it was a great size to fit a phone, a mirror, a lipstick, a few others, maybe a card case or a wallet. If we take a look inside, you see you just have that one general pocket. So it is, again, pretty standard. You have a few card slots along the back to help you with some organization. I would have loved if there was some sort of separation or a zipper pocket or something along those lines to just help with, security or overall organization, but that is okay. You can see the white leather embossing has kind of a raised print, which I thought was so cute. And it does come with two straps, which normally you might have to purchase an extra strap or a fun strap or something like that. I think you still could do that because these are removable. And of course you could wear it as a long crossbody or a longer strapped purse, or just hold it by that top handle. So very versatile, very cute and mini. Let us know in the comments below if you have one, if you want one, if you love it, if you hate it, and be sure to subscribe.